Hello everyone. In this video, I present a simple double-sided, one-row repeat reversible knitting pattern that is perfect for beginners. This pattern is worked the same on both sides and consists of 3 stitches and 1 row. To start, cast on a number of stitches that is a multiple of 3 and include 2 edge stitches. The knitting technique resembles an English rib stitch, with a slight difference that creates this distinctive texture. As I mentioned, both sides of the work look the same. The repeat pattern is as follows. Slip the first stitch as if to knit, make a yarn over, and knit 2 stitches together. Repeat this sequence, slip 1 stitch, yarn over, and knit 2 stitches together. Slip 1 stitch, yarn over, and knit 2 stitches together. Continue knitting this pattern until you reach the end of the row. On the other side, the pattern is the same. Slip 1 stitch, yarn over, and knit 2 stitches together. Slip 1 stitch, yarn over, and knit 2 stitches together. Slip 1 stitch, yarn over, and knit 2 stitches together. Repeat this row until you achieve the desired length. This technique will create a unique reversible knitted fabric with a distinctive texture on both sides. This fabric is ideal for making scarves, capes, and vests. I highly encourage you to give this pattern a try and explore the creative possibilities it offers. If you found this video useful, I would greatly appreciate it if you could click the thumbs up button to show your support. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. By enabling notifications, you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. Click my Knit Not Space Shop icon to see my knit creations. Whether you're looking for something special for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm sure you'll love. Thank you so much for being a part of the people who watched my channel. I truly appreciate your support, and I can't wait to see you again soon.